Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be a collective haul. I have not done a collective haul on my channel in a very long time, especially of stuff that I went outside and bought. I also have some stuff that I ordered. I have so much stuff to share with y'all. I got stuff from H&M. I got stuff from Skims. This was my first time shopping at Skims. I got some stuff from Five and Below. I got some stuff from Ulta. I have so much to share with y'all. So if you're interested in seeing this stuff that I got, definitely stay tuned. So we'll start with Skims, being that this was my first time ever going to Skims or purchasing anything from them. Okay, so I went to the store on Fifth Avenue and it is so aesthetically pleasing. It is absolutely beautiful, but I think the functionality of it is horrible. That's something that they really need to work on, and they did not make good use of the space, in my opinion. It is very hectic. If you are not someone from New York, you might get anxiety in there. I'm from New York and I was getting anxiety. And when I start getting anxiety, it's not good for other people because I'm going to start cursing you out. Anyway, yeah, I got this from Skims. I really needed some shapewear for my birthday. I told you I needed something to suck everything in, okay, and smooth everything out. So this is the Solution Wear Mid-Thigh Bodysuit. This lightweight, it says that this lightweight shapewear provides support without sacrificing comfort or adding bulk. The seamless construction and supple feel make this an everyday layering staple that smooths and enhances your natural shape. Okay, and for reference, I want to give y'all sizing. I got the extra large, and as far as the measurements for the bust is 41.5 to a 44.5. For the waist is a 35 to a 38, and for the hips it is a 44.5 to a 47.5. Okay, and this is the seamless sculpt mid-thigh bodysuit, and I didn't know they had different levels of support. This is almost the highest level of support, and I have it in the color cocoa. And I love this detailing right here because what? Y'all are telling us how much it's gonna suck you in. That's amazing. So yeah, but this thing was pricey. Oh my God, this was $70. I'm sorry, I was looking for the receipt. This was $74, you guys. $74. Just for this. I could have literally got this from Shape LX for $34, and I'm not even playing with you. And to make it worse, I got this in cocoa, and cocoa is not my skin complexion, baby. Cocoa is this color. That's not my skin complexion. And then when they show the other colors, she needs more tones because none of these are my complexion. But Shape LX has one that is my complexion. So I think I might take this back because I haven't worn it anyway. So I'm thinking I might take this back. I gotta see how long they give you. Okay, so it says that they accept returns in person at the store and online for 30 days. So I had to get the L'Oreal Infallible. This is a makeup setting spray, and this is absolutely amazing, and it's for the low. It's only $10, I believe. So they had a deal. If you buy two, you get one free. So I do have another one that I've started using already. Okay, so I have 3 of these, And then I got a new NARS concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. If y'all saw my haul, y'all seen that, you know, I went and got like a small. So yeah, now I got the big one, but I got a different color. This one is in the color Biscuit. Let's just swatch her. Okay, I actually like that color. It's kind of pinky, like it's kind of like a pink tone. But yes, I think that is pretty, and I can't wait to try her out. And last but not least, I feel like I'm missing something, but anyway, last but not least, I got the Mercier translucent loose setting powder in the ultra blur. Remember in my vlog I showed y'all this, and I got this in the small size to test out, and I told y'all I've been raving about this. This is the most amazing powder I've ever tried. Like, it is the Mercier translucent powder on steroids. Like, you literally just, like, it literally just melts your makeup in place, and you don't have to do like a whole lot of work. It blends for you. Like, if you're someone who doesn't know how to blend, it literally blends for you. You will not have any issues with that. So I highly recommend it. From H&M, I just got one item. And I showed that me trying these on in my haul, but it's just some sweatpants, and they were $19.99. I got them in a size large, and they fit amazing. Very, very comfortable, cute. They do have pockets, and they have a drawstring. And I love when the strings have this at the bottom because they're thinking of the functionality. So we could go through my stuff that I got from Shein. So I purchased this bra. I have now decided that I only want to wear black bras and black panties. Like, I want everything to be black. Just my panties and my bras, like I want all of them, the whole thing to be just black. So I wanted to start with this bra because I had this bra before and it was absolutely amazing. But my breasts sit up all the way and it looks like I got a boob job. So I love that bra. It's a Lovelet bra, by the way. And I reviewed it on my channel. So if I can find a video, I will have that link down below. Then I got this shirt. Now it's a regular t-shirt in the front. It's kind of oversized. And I don't know what that symbol is because it's not like actual letters. But this is the back. Just look at the back, y'all. It says, "In the sky, fantastic, only simplicity." Okay, but the belt, like the belt, like why is there a belt cinching in the waist and the back? I tried this on and baby, it looks so good. I'm thinking about wearing, because it stops like underneath my butt, and I think this will be really cute with some lace pants. Tell me some lace pants wouldn't eat. I think I'm gonna wear this with some like lace pants or some transparent, like some like, I'm either going to wear this with some lace pants or some tights. And I'm not talking about leggings. I'm talking about like stockings with some heels. I think that would look amazing. So yes, and this gray is beautiful. And the quality on this t-shirt is fire. Like Shein did their thing. And the brand says DAZY. I also got a few accessories from Shein. So I got this Jesus ring. Also very, very cute. I wore her today and my finger did not turn green. Let's see. Nope, my finger is not green. I also got this ring. This ring eats. I'm gonna keep this ring on for the rest of the video actually, because it shouldn't eat like this. Like, are you kidding me? Like, this ring eats. They did their numbers. They did a big one with this. Like, I wish I could see how beautiful this is in person. Then I got another ring, and this is my dream engagement ring. Like, literally, this is what I want. Like, are you kidding me? This is to die for. That Tiffany blue with the silver around it, like, oh my god, the size is perfect. Like, everything about this ring is perfection in my opinion. This is my freaking dream engagement ring. Oh, gorgeous, just gorgeous. Then I got this nose ring, which is a T. It's called a T ring on the inside. And then it just has this cross hanging, and this is my first time trying this type of nose ring, and I like it. It didn't come out, it stayed in place all day, so yeah, I really like it. I'm not sure why they would make the hook like that. Like, what? Why would they hook it like this? But anyway, this is another one. I'm obsessed with stars and the moon. I look at the moon every night. Like, I love the moon. So I had to get this. I thought this was so cute. And I always either get a cross or a moon or a star when it comes to my nose rings. Or like a diamond. Like, I try to keep it simple but still have a little pizzazz. Lastly, I'm gonna go through my stuff that I got from 5 and Below. So first off, I got this charm. This is a bag charm, and the brand is called Charmed. So they had like a whole bunch of different stuff, and I didn't see this until I was checking out. So I had to rush because I would have been holding up the line. So I just grabbed this, and I grabbed one more thing from there. This bag charm as well, because I thought this was just too pretty. Like, I could just see this on my bag. That's gonna look so nice. So yeah, I had to have it. Okay, and then I got this hand sanitizer in black plum and vanilla, and I felt like this one smelled the best, and it came with this keychain, and I think this was $4. So I was like, yeah, I love the smell. Then I got a Lightning portable mini power bank because I'm tired of my phone dying. Like, I am someone who is anal about keeping my phone percentage high. Like, it's literally, my phone is always on a charger. So yeah, I had to get that. Then I had a tweezer set. This is a 4-piece tweezer set. So I love that it comes with different tweezers. So you get a slanted tweezer for eyebrow shaping and precision hair removal. You get a straight tweezer for shaping and precision hair removal for sensitive skin. You get an angled tweezer for general eyebrow grooming. And then you get a pointed tweezer for ingrown and sensitive hair removal. I need all of that. Okay? I be having some unruly chin hairs that I be trying to pluck. My phone keeps running out of storage, so I gotta run through the endings. But I got a few t-shirts. So this is the first t-shirt that I got, and this is in a size medium. This is the second t-shirt, and it says Wicked. And then it says pink goes good with green. And then at the bottom it says defy gravity. So I thought this was cute. And I got this in a size medium. I got them in different sizes because some didn't. They only had like one size of a lot of them. So yeah. Then I got this one. It says Praia Paradise
Zay Lagos.
Enjoy the great beach day, Sunshine Club 99. I just like the colors and the design of it. I thought this would be so cute with like a pair of jeans or like just any pant. Like I thought this would be cute. This is a small in a size small, so this one will be fitted to my body. And then I got this one, and I just like that. I just like the way it's just a simple tee. It's just black and white. It says Public Menace. I got it in a size large because that's all they had. So this will be oversized when I do wear it. And then last but not least, I got this lip gloss. A lip mask in pink vanilla. And this is what it looks like. And okay, and I'm gonna just swatch it. It's just, to me, it's like almost like petroleum jelly. Like that's basically what this is. So yeah, that was it for my haul. I hope y'all enjoyed. I will have the links to everything that I could find online down in the bottom bar for you. I thank y'all so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what was your favorite piece. Tell me what is your experience with shopping in Skims if you live in New York. And yeah, do y'all think I should exchange the Skims ones for the Shape LX? Let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are, okay? And like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you like. I love y'all, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all. Where'd you go? How you know how I've been living without you?